Right, so if I can start, I mean, moving to the cloud is what I call definitely a paradigm shift. So we are changing the way we do IT development, solutioning, and implementation. So the first challenge, or quote-unquote opportunity, is it's a culture shift. It's a culture change, both from the IT staff and from the business staff, right? So the business is used to just giving you requirements, going away, and then coming back 9 months, 12 months, a year and a half later and saying, here's your product. But since then, requirements have changed. So we have, with the move to the cloud, have moved more to an agile framework, an agile way of working, and it's a day-to-day work with the business instead of developing something and then testing it, right? So that's definitely one of the challenges. It's definitely a culture shift. Some of the business users have definitely liked it and liked working one-on-one. Some of them have found it very hard, and so that's one of the challenges we face. One of the second challenges we face is obviously legacy applications and interfaces. So while we decide to move applications to the cloud, there's still a lot of interfacing and dependency with legacy applications, and so how do we methodically, strategically take an approach to either move the back-end piece first and or move the application, and or how do we make those connections? Right. Third piece is, skill set and expertise, right? So we've got a list of a ton of IT folks who are used to doing code development and doing it one specific way. So as we move to the cloud, we're getting more agile. We need people to be more agile and work more in the customization of a platform or a service instead of actually custom coding things. And so that's a challenge for us. And then last but not least, I think it's about porting the applications or moving them, right? And so what does that mean? How do we interpret that? How do we define that for us, right, and then actually taking action?
Excellent.